Welcome to this video. In our previous video, we studied the Euclid's division lemma. Today in this video, we will learn to find the 8th CF using Euclid's division lemma. The number of chocolates B and chocolate Q are 1215 and 891 respectively. What is the maximum number of chocolates that can be kept in a box, and how many minimum boxes are required to keep equal number of each chocolate? And also solve this by hit and trial method. But here we will solve this in a stepwise manner, for which we will find the 8CF, that is highest common factor of the number of or the types of chocolates. For this we will use Euclid's division lemma E equals to be multiplied by Q plus R. Let's try to solve it together. Here 1215 is greater than 891. Now we will use Euclid's division lemma on these, which gives us this value. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, we apply the Euclid's division lemma again to divide the 891 and remainder 324, and by this we get this value. Here also the remainder is not equal to 0, so we apply the Euclid division lemma once again. The remainder has now become 0. So our procedure stops here, since the divisor at this stage is 81, which is the 8CF are 1215 and 891. So maximum 81 chocolates can be kept in the box out of chocolate B and chocolate Q. Since we have to find the minimum number of boxes required, can you tell what we have to do in order to find this? Well done. If we divide the number of chocolates B and chocolate Q by 81, that is the maximum number of chocolates that can be kept in a box, and add the quotients of these, we get 26, which is the minimum number of boxes required. Hence minimum 26 boxes that are required to keep the chocolates. Now let's understand the difference between Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove another statement, while algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which is used to find the 8CF of two positive integers and B, where we can use the statement A equals to be multiplied by Q plus R of Euclid's division lemma.